Today's video will be a step-by-step guide on how to use Unison Marketplace. All right, let's get into it. Head over to marketplace.unisonglobal.com. Click on opportunities. There is a multitude of opportunities here to choose from. For the reference of today's video, we're gonna click on this short-term lodging, Tampa, Florida. We have the solicitation number, the NAICS code size standard. It's $40 million. Let's see what they need. 26 double rooms for 4 nights. This is what we're going to get a price for. Now we're going to pay attention to the buy terms. This is what's required to be met in order for the purchase to go through. Sellers shall submit supporting documentation for each product offered. Brochures or Word documents are examples of acceptable supporting documentation as long as they explain/state the specifications for each product offered. Failure to provide supporting documentation for each product offer may result in the buyer being unable to find the seller's products technically acceptable. So this is very important. Next, we're going to look at seller attachments. You're going to make sure you do exactly what they're telling you to do. Don't do anything more. Don't do anything less. Do exactly what they are telling you to do. You're going to click on this solicitation right here. Usually there's more documentation right here. You would click on all these. You want to make sure you read these. What's important about this solicitation is you want to go to the FAR. And the FAR are the Federal Acquisition Regulations. The FAR is the Bible of government contract. You could view the FAR at acquisitions.gov. To browse the FAR, you just click here and you could browse the FAR. The first set of numbers on the clause is the part number in which you would use to look up what you're looking for. Let's click on Start Bid. All righty. It's located in Tampa, Florida. So what we would do is go to Tampa, Florida. Boom. As you can see, we don't even have to call. We could get the prices straight off of here. So what we would do is go down here, find a nice hotel. Think about what you would want to stay in. Doing hotels, pricing is considered, but you got to think about it. Would you stay in one of these cheap motels like this? I don't think this one here is going to be acceptable for me. If I wouldn't stay here, I'm not going to put it in there. Once we have our pricing down, we're going to start on our bid. Bid description, we'll say hotels, Tampa. And for the reference number, you can put today's date. Open market. Come down to the bid terms. Make sure you read all of this and hit accept. All right, and we're gonna continue now. Okay, right here, they're asking for the attachments. You're gonna sign, date the solicitation, and you're gonna attach it right here. But before you sign and date the solicitation, you wanna make sure you go to the clauses and make sure you read all of the clauses. So these are the clauses that are dealing with this solicitation. Check and see which clauses apply. They'll either have a check mark or an X by the box. Let's go down here and check the clauses for this solicitation. Boom. Prohibition on a ByteDance cover application. What does that mean, you may ask? What we would do is go over to the contract in Bible and we're gonna click on 52. The FAR means any equipment or interconnected system or subsystem of equipment used in automatic acquisition, storage, analysis, evaluation, manipulation, management, movement, control, display, switching, interchange, transmission, or reception of data or information by the executive agency if the equipment is used by the executive agency directly or is it used by the contractor under the contract in which the executive agency requires the use of. So what that means for all you guys out there, that if you have TikTok operating on your local area network, whatever your Wi-Fi is, you cannot have TikTok operating on that device. With that FAR checked, you cannot operate or have TikTok installed on that device. And it says interconnected. ByteDance owns multiple companies. The most important FAR that we want to look at is right here. 52-219-14, limitations on subcontracting. That box is not checked. We can proceed forward and we can bid on this contract. If you get value out of this video, drop a like, hit subscribe, and set the notification bell to all so you don't miss a single video. So we're gonna put in our unit price here. $229 part optional. We're just gonna put hotel. And for the description, you can just describe what the hotel room is offering. All right, now we're gonna continue. Boom, as you see here, the extension price is $23,000, but the Unison fee is $714. This is why I don't use Unisons personally, but it is a way that you can bid on federal government contracts and get your foot in the door. With this contract being $23,000, it is a simplified acquisition. What is a simplified acquisition? Any contract under $250,000. A micro acquisition is any contract under $10,000. With micro and simplified acquisitions, they can be paid out using what is called a P card, a payment card. P card payments are faster than your net 30s. You can receive the money a lot sooner than using a net 30. To learn more about the P card and the simplified acquisition procedures, you're gonna go back over to acquisition.gov, go to the FAR, and we're gonna go part 13. And as you see, this is the simplified acquisition procedures. You can view subpart 13.4 fast payment procedures, and that will explain what it is about P cards. Okay, now you're ready to submit your bid. If you got any value out of today's video, drop a like, hit subscribe, and until next time, God bless America. Lead Advise out.
Yo, waking up, gotta hustle, gotta scheme. Linked with the team, building up the dream. Government contracts, yeah, we taking that shot. Proposals in the air, you know we give it all we got. Making moves, stacking chips, watch me shine. In the world of bids, it's all about the grind. Making money moves, got the government sealed. Contracts on the table, our fate's been revealed. Hustle hard, play smart, we're rising above. This is our time and we do it for the love. Found some subs, we ain't stopping, we grow. Collab to elevate cash flow like a pro. Writing up these bids, man, it's all in the game. Every page we flip, bringing fortune and fame. Competition's fierce, but we stay real tight. In the world of contract, we ignite like a light. Making money moves, got the government sealed. Contracts on the table, our fate's been revealed. Hustle hard, play smart, we're rising above. This is our time and we do it for the love. So here's the deal, we're aiming for the top. With every contract signed, there ain't no way we stop. So here's the deal, we're aiming for the top. With every contract signed, there ain't no way we stop.